Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth tech reviews and insights. Today, we're diving into the world of memory upgrades with the crucial RAM 32GB kit. If you're looking to supercharge your computer's performance, this might be the solution you've been waiting for. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our informative reviews. Now, let's explore the power of more memory. Introducing the crucial RAM 32GB kit, your ticket to a faster, more responsive computer experience. We'll take a closer look at what makes this memory upgrade a game-changer for your system. We all know that memory plays a crucial role in how well our computers perform. It's like the working desk of your computer, where tasks are managed and juggled. The crucial RAM 32GB kit is designed to provide a significant boost to your system's capabilities. Let's dive into the key benefits of upgrading your memory with Crucial. Your computer's speed and responsiveness can drastically improve. Load programs faster, switch between applications seamlessly, and say goodbye to frustrating lag. If you're someone who juggles multiple tasks simultaneously, whether it's work-related or for leisure, this memory upgrade will transform your multitasking experience. More memory means your computer can handle numerous applications without breaking a sweat. Worried about the technicalities of upgrading your memory? Fear not. Crucial makes it easy for anyone, regardless of their technical expertise, to install this RAM kit. All you need is a screwdriver, your owner's manual, and a few minutes of your time. Upgrading your memory is one of the most cost-effective ways to boost your computer's performance. It's a fraction of the cost of buying a new system, and the results are often just as impressive. Crucial is a brand under Micron, one of the world's largest memory manufacturers. With 42 years of memory expertise, you can trust the quality and reliability of Crucial laptop memory. In conclusion, the Crucial RAM 32GB kit is an easy and cost-effective way to breathe new life into your computer. Whether you're a professional seeking better performance for work tasks or a multitasker who loves to have numerous applications running simultaneously, this memory upgrade has you covered. Don't let a slow computer hold you back. Upgrade your memory and experience the power of improved speed and responsiveness. If you're interested in the Crucial RAM 32GB kit or want more information, check out the links in the video description below. That wraps up today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments. Stay tuned for more reviews that help you make informed tech decisions. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.